What's going on, Samsung A21s phone users? This video tutorial here is a simple one, and we're going over the call display while using other apps. So let's dive into the phone app itself. And as you dive into that here, you'll go to the three dots at the top right there. And while you're in there, you can go to where it says settings. And as you dive into the settings, you'll go to where it says call display while using apps. So I'll tap on this one time. And at default, you will be set as the full screen mode, which means that if you are in the middle of a call, your entire display will be covered with this here, the person's number, the icon or the picture of the person, and the answer and end button appearing to the bottom area here. But if you want something that's less big than that, bad English, less big than that, you can tap on the pop-up option, which means that while in the call, if you're in the middle of an app, the display will only appear about 1/3 of your display, about that area here, okay? But it's going to show you the number, the icon, the answer and end call option just in that area. And of course, if you want something smaller than that, you can go with the mini pop-up version, which is going to be a tiny little square in the top area of your phone, taking up the least amount of space on your screen or display. And of course, that would be the best option for those of us who just don't want to be interrupted in terms of having the call just overtaking everything on the phone or whatever it is that we were watching before the call. And if you want to, you can go with keep calls in pop-up after calls are answered and keep them in the pop-up. So if you want that, do that. But if you don't want the pop-up, then just turn it off, and then eventually that's going to fade away while you are in the call. So it's up to you. Make those changes, have some fun, and thanks for watching.